are off to NRSA Supernationals. We've got VIP tickets. My name is on the gate to go and camp with the A602s. Didn't even have to pay. So we're going to go camp with the A602s at the Hot Rod Supernationals, one of the biggest bloody hot rod shows in Europe, if not the world. So let's get into it. We're camping there. Have a look behind us. Yeah, so it's going to be a bloody good one, this. Right, we're just pulling in. Apparently we've got VIP tickets on the gate for us. And apparently with Barris cars or something. We're with the A602s.
Michael Barris.
Embarrassing cars. So yeah, we're just pulling in now to the main gate. No, I have no idea where we're going. Right, we are here. We got in. VIP tickets. Although when I said VIP, he looked at me funny. So I think we just got tickets. So yeah, Grant's somewhere. We're just cruising through. Look at all these cars. Check this out. This is all like, this is the camping area. This is very different to a Volkswagen show. What I'm used to. Am I going right here or left? Did he say?
I don't know. No, up there.
Right. Look at all this. This is very different to. Look at the cars on the left here. Very different to a Volkswagen show when you're camping, isn't it? Okay, we've just got to the show. This is our setup. We actually pulled up a few different places, and every time we pulled up, I unhooked the caravan, went to set it all up, and then people would come out and go, oh, we've got cars going there, they're out at the minute, so I had to hook the caravan back up, drive around. Everything's on a hill, so we're about to put the caravan up and try and level it the best we could. So this is our setup here. You can see that we're on quite a hill. Yeah. You can hear the hillbilly music in the background. There we go. This is our little setup. Quite on hill. We've got all the hot roddy stuff around us. I hope. I know that's the A602s. I don't know if we're still in their camp or we've just camped in completely someone else's camp. I really don't know. But yeah. Anyway, we've just been told we're in the wrong camp. We've got to pack up and now move again. Okay, this is exciting.
Eventually.
Okay, we've moved camp again. We're now here near the A602's tent. Although some band put a can of beer on the roof of my truck. As I was reversing up, it poured in the window and completely covered me in the entire can of beer. So I now stink of beer. So it's going well so far getting here. Hopefully we haven't got to move again. And here's the setup again. So we might actually get to the show soon. Look at that flame. Anyway, right. All the setup is done. All the boring bits out of the way. People, do you want to see the show? We're going to wander over and have a look. I don't know whether I should show you today or just cut to the big show tomorrow. The next scene will tell you what I'm going to do.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're at the show. We're walking around. Check out everything behind me in every direction. Yes. Oh yes. So, I'm going to give you a quick look around. I'll get the proper montage of all the stuff tomorrow. Look at this. This is the Saturday. They're not open to the public yet. But yeah, we're gonna have a wander down and have a look at all the stalls and that. First of all, oh look at this. Look at this. Man, look at that. Wow. Anyway, I won't do tomorrow to show you all the good stuff.
2 hours later.
Well, it's a Friday. We're just chilling out. This is what it's Saturday. Sorry. This is what we're doing on the Saturday. The main show's tomorrow. That's when all the car videos will come up. Right now, I'm actually filming between. There's a massive stage down there. And oh, here we go again. So it's really hard to film anything at this show because it's just too loud to film anything and talk like now. So I better get off before we're copywritten. But yeah, tomorrow I'll do some montages and stuff of all the really cool cars.
The next day.
Well, good morning. It is now the Sunday. This is the show, the part of the show that's open to the public. They can all roll in at 10. So this is going to be the proper show day where you see all the really cool stuff. So today's the day we're going to go out and I'll give you a full-on montage. I doubt I'll be able to do much talking about the cars. One, because I ain't got a clue about them because I'm a Volkswagen man, and two, there's going to be so much noise from that stage that I doubt I'll be able to do it without you hearing all that in the background anyway. So I'll give you some good montages of some really cool cars today. Anyway, for now, I just need to sort my head out and wake up. Get some footage of all these lovely cars. I'll show you some really cool stuff. I've seen this one before. This is one of my videos many years ago actually. I can't remember what it's called now. Modified customs show something. Look at the detail on that though. It's mad, isn't it? I forgot to bring my microphone with me.
Andy, can you meet Martin by your car?
Look at this.
To a room. Spelled GNU.
Plenty here for you if you like a Ford pop. Check this out. Yep. Pop. I'm having to rush through these cars because there's so many here. That's just a touch. Look at this. Here we go. This is what we know. Look at that. Why have we not seen this at Volkswagen shows? Oh wow.
Yeah.
Very cool. Is that a PD150?
130.
130.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, box as well. But the box mounted upside down.
Right. Okay. It's got a PD.
Yeah.
It's got a PD in it.
It's really big in that bag.
Yeah.
We've got the clocks to match as well.
Oh wow.
I've cut the dashboard out and widened it so for all the
Yeah, I've never seen a splitty with a PD in it before.
No.
Wow.
Amazing. This is
I've not seen this at Volkswagen shows. Is
I've gone to a few, yeah.
it?
I was at one last weekend at Tatton Park in Knutsford.
Okay.
VW
Are you doing
Northwest.
Skeg Vegas?
I'm going there next week, yeah.
Yeah, we're going. We'll be there as
I'm
well.
going to be there on the Sunday.
Yeah.
So I'm going to a local classic car show on the Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're dubbers. We're born and bred dubbers. But very nice. This is really cool.
Buzz Fest at Malvern as well.
Yeah. But yeah, very cool. I'll look out for you.
Yeah.
That's mad, isn't it? Right, I'm over far enough away from the music and stuff to talk about the cars and that, but what you're going to get is me saying, oh, that's cool, because I'm out of my depth here. This is all American stuff, and they're all different, so but there's sections for certain cars by the looks of it, which is going to bore you a lot, because it's just going to be the same car in different variations a lot of the time here. So yeah, but carry on with the montages. If you like your stuff, you like your stuff. Oh, I wasn't expecting to see the low-down transport dudes here. If you don't follow their channel, go follow their channel. They can make some really cool shit. Check this out. That's a bit of me there, that. Yeah, yeah, very nice. I do want to say a big thank you and a shout out to Grant Penny of the A602s who sorted this out, and I want to say thanks to the A602s for having us for the weekend. It's been a really good show, we've enjoyed ourselves, it's been a laugh. So yeah, some amazing cars here and all that stuff. So yeah, thank you to Grant for inviting us to this, and thank you for sorting out the tickets, mate. Really appreciate it. Well, that is the end of the show for us. Yeah, it's hard to get any proper content. It's a weird one. There's so much content, but hard to get content because it's just a lot of the same vehicles, and it's just so many vehicles here. It's unbelievable. So,
We're off, Neil.
thanks, Catherine. So I've got as much footage as I could, and I hope the montages came out okay. They're not too long. Anyway, people, next time I see you, it'll be for Viva Skeg Vegas, back to the Volkswagen scene and back to all the craziness. Okay, see you in the next one, peeps.